I am in E.C. Manning Provincial Park. I'm out here to celebrate my 35th birthday with everyone that I love the best. So I'm out here by myself. I'm going to do some exploring, some van camping, some snowshoeing, some straight vibing. You know what it is. Let's roll that episode now. As we come up in these trees here. Ooh. There you go. Wondering how cold it is. There's frost all over the toilet. So wish me luck. So I'm out here in Manning Park. I'm here with the van. I'm going to do some van camping. Obviously it is winter. It's currently -3, -8, but feels like -13 was in the forecast. So I am probably going to camp right here in this van. This is a day use area, but in winter you can camp in it. And if you look behind me here, outhouses somewhere over there. And I think the outhouses will be key, so it'd be nice to have those services. So I'm just going to camp here. But first things first, I'm going to get out my snowshoes, and there's a little trail here that leads to, well, it goes around a couple lakes, and there's a nice bridge apparently. It's a little later than I want, so I'm probably going to just head to the bridge, but that's the plan. So I'm going to throw my snowshoes on now and hit the road. I got a new 360-degree camera that I'm going to take with me, so that'll be exciting to use. Let's see how it goes. We're on the road. From my Insta360 X3, brand new camera. I can see everywhere. I think it's pretty cool. I'm excited to use it, and it should be a beautiful snowshoe here. Oh, as we come up in these trees here. Ooh. Oh, this is kind of nice.
And just like that, we're flexing the Insta360 X3's muscles. I'm really excited to add this to my camera arsenal. I really think it's going to help improve this channel. And also my Instagram feed at Sarge Inc.
I get a good feeling, yeah.
Looks like the bridge is about 600 meters this way. So I'll follow the marker. So we got some picnic tables here at snow level. So what is that, 2 feet, 3 feet of snow? It is March 3rd, 4th today. I'm not sure what day it is. One of those two. Yeah, quite a lot of snow. And we are approaching the bridge. It is snowing pretty good. Crazy. interesting to see the amount of snow that has fallen. Because like actually, like I almost hit my head here. So whatever, this is probably pretty high. Just the snow underfoot. But obviously cool bridge. That's where I came from. That's further down the road or the trail. It looks like it goes, this is a Lightning Lakes chain. So I think there's multiple lakes down there. And I think you can loop all the way around. I'm cutting this short at this bridge here because it's a little late. Weather's not ideal. So I'm cutting it here. But you could explore that way. So interesting little spot. Good spot to hang out, have a little break. Anyways, I think I'm gonna switch up my glasses, get the regular glasses on, and head back. Yeah, I'm gonna head back. Cool. So, little update here. I didn't change my glasses. I realized I liked them. And now I recross this bridge again to the other side. And I'm taking this new way back to camp. Should lead us to the same spot. So, you know, I'll probably just pick it back up at the van. It is. I feel like that's something cool, but it's too varied to know. Back of the van, pretty good snowshoe. I got a little bit of a sweat going, so I'm just gonna kick it around camp, cool down. It's just about 5 p.m. What time is it? It's 5:05 p.m. I got a big old sandwich here that I'm gonna eat and drink my Prime. Ain't no YouTube video complete without a Prime. That is a damn good sandwich.
At this point, we're just enjoying the moment, soaking up the last few minutes of daylight, because soon night'll come, it'll get cold, but until then, the sun is shining, so we're straight vibing.
So I got my bed set up. I'm just sleeping in this, it's a Mont Bell super stretch sleeping bag. I think it's supposed to be good till like -3 or something. I'm not really sure. And then inside, somewhere, I have this, it's like a thin slate liner. It's supposed to add like 8 degrees to like the warmth of the bag. So I just got that, that's my sleep system. Undecided what I'm sleeping in, but I got some long john top. You know, I got lots of layers I can put on. Probably sleep in socks, maybe a toque, who knows. But other than that, it's pretty much the end of the night. I'm just gonna lay here, go to sleep, and I will see you in the morning. Well, good morning. It is a little after 9 a.m. I had a really long sleep last night, and it feels good to sleep in. It appears that it snowed last night, at least lightly. Maybe that's just frost. We'll have to get outside and see. I will say it was quite cold last night. I don't know exactly what the temperature was. I got no way of knowing. But I was like kind of about the maximum of what I used to sleep in. This sleeping bag liner and the clothes I'm wearing. I just got a long sleeve, a t-shirt, and then this flannel on top, and just a pair of sweatpants and some socks. I was kind of like I said, at the lower end of what I could tolerate. If it was any colder, I probably would have had to get another layer on, or better yet, have a blanket or something extra. But it's about as extreme as I get. But oh man, we're gonna get up, we're gonna hop around, we're gonna see what the day has in store. I think I'm gonna snowshoe further past that bridge, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm gonna gather my thoughts, hit up the porta potty, that kind of stuff, and then I'm gonna go. Well, there you go. If you wonder how cold it is, there's frost all over the toilet. So, wish me luck.
And with a plan of attack for today, to be heading out snowshoeing again, I'm going to start refilling my water bottles to get all my stuff ready to go. I'm going to quickly learn here how cold it really is, though. Not just because this water's splashing all over my hand, but... Oh! It's starting to get real cold. So cold, my GoPro is frozen solid. Dun dun dun.
We are currently in a bit of a situation here. I tried to start the van to make sure all the batteries were charged, like my GoPro batteries. Make sure they were warm enough to function, you know? And the van does not start. It feels like totally dead. So I'm currently, it's not that bad of a situation because there are people around. And there's going to be more people coming, no doubt about it. So I can get a jump start. I have cables. But what I'm actually going to do is try to jump start myself with my house battery.
And if you question how cold it really was, I am frozen solid again. So I tried jumping myself with my house battery. Didn't work. Both batteries were too cold. So all I could do was sit back, eat a snack, and wait for my savior to arrive.
Nothing.
And here's my savior now. I didn't catch his name. Turns out I'm not very talkative when I'm in a bad mood. Shocking. Anyways, we We tried jumping it, did a little bit of fiddling. He had to run his truck for a while, but I did get this beast started. So there's that. But other than that, there's not much more to say. Coming into 35 with a whimper. Dang.